Hive has three different types of assets and each of them plays its special role. The first two assets are Hive and Hive Power. Hive is a liquid token which is used as currency to pay for services and to buy various goods. Hive is also used in some blockchain games. For instance, Cryptobrewmaster is used to buy loot boxes, and these are packages with game items, ingredients for in-game beer crafting, etc. One will also be able to buy assets in the in-game market for Hive and HBD. Additionally, you can also buy real merchandise in the numerous online stores. For example, I bought this t-shirt and a cup in this store, Hiveswag.io. There are a lot of cool products. Unpacking will be shown in the next video. The link will be in the description. Hive is being traded on cryptocurrency exchange platforms. It's very convenient to use Hive as payment for goods and services because the speed of transaction is about 3 seconds, plus you pay zero commission. For comparison, the average transaction cost with the Bitcoin ranges from $0.50 to $3, and it takes minimum 10 minutes. One more difference from other cryptocurrencies is that Hive can be purchased as well as earned by creating quality content on Hive.blog. You can also freeze Hive by sending it to Hive Power. This is a kind of investment in the form of a deposit to Hive blockchain. The amount of Hive Power that you own directly affects the strength of your voice. The higher the power, the more reward you can generate for your subscriber or member of your community by simply voting for this quality content. It is also important to bear in mind that rewards in Hive are equally divided between the content creator and the curator. By acting as a curator and liking someone else's content, you therefore generate a reward for the content creator. By generating $1 for content creator, you will receive 50% of this amount in Hive Power in 7 days. Hive Power can be withdrawn into liquid Hive in equal parts within 13 weeks. For example, 1,300 Hive Power coins will be released in liquid Hive in 13 weeks for 100 Hives. Finally, the third coin is HBD or Hive-backed dollar. This coin is a liquid stablecoin which always costs $1. HBD is another coin from the Hive blockchain which you can also receive as a reward for quality content. If you want to exchange Hive and HBD for another cryptocurrency or for fiat money, I recommend using the Cryptex24 exchange, which is simply created to work with Hive. You can learn how to work with the Cryptex24 exchange platform by watching this video. The link is provided in the description. If there is anything that you do not quite understand, you're welcome to ask your question in the Telegram chat Hive UA. Our community team Ukraine will quickly help you out. We will be answering the most interesting questions in the following videos. So give us a like, subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the bell so you don't miss anything important. For us to make more interesting videos, help our channel. Send us a few coins to our Hive account, BlockchainTalktv, or to other wallets listed in the description of the video. So buy all the cool merchandise on Hiveswag.io and vote for Cryptobrewmaster as your witness in the Hive blockchain. The link to the voting is also in the description to this video. This video is made with the assistance of cryptocurrency exchange platform Cryptex24. Cryptex24 round-the-clock simple and reliable control of your crypto assets. Cheers!